Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Vw Polo SE. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and a manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 64 miles per gallon. The car has a low insurance group of just 8 and the mileage of just over 46,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called an energetic orange and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. The original owner chose a couple of factory options, so this car also has front and rear parking sensors and cruise control. A few features worth mentioning: you've got the new updated touchscreen multimedia system there in the centre for your DAB radio, Bluetooth and Android Auto and ApplePlay. This car also has the automatic headlights, and overall you've got a nice clean interior there. Rear passengers, got good access there into the back. Good amount of legroom for a small hatchback, and again, nice clean rear seat. And as we open the tailgate on the Polo, you'll see you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf, and you also have the adjustable floor there as well on 2 different levels. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and as already mentioned, the front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.